In today's video, I am going to teach you how to select all objects on a layer in AutoCAD. By the end, you'll be able to isolate everything on a specific layer in just a few clicks, which is incredibly useful for editing, changing properties, or simply verifying that your drawing is organized the way you expect. We'll use Quick Select, also known as Q Select. This tool lets you build a precise filter, so AutoCAD finds exactly what you want. To open it, you have two simple options. You can type Q Select into the command line and press Enter. Or you can right-click in the drawing area and choose Quick Select from the context menu. Use whichever method feels faster for you. They do the same thing when the Quick Select dialog opens. Look for the Apply to setting. Set this to entire drawing that tells AutoCAD to scan the whole file, not just a few objects you might have pre-selected. If you ever only want to work with something you've already chosen, you can switch this to current selection. But for gathering everything on a layer, entire drawing is the clearest choice. Next, set object type. If your goal is to grab absolutely everything on that layer, lines, polylines, hatches, blocks, dimensions, choose multiple. That's the broadest filter and ensures nothing on that layer gets missed. If you only want one specific kind of object, like just lines on that layer, you can pick that individual type instead. Multiple is typically the most complete option. Now set property to layer. This tells Quick Select which property to filter by. For operator, choose equals. That means we want objects where the layer property exactly matches a specific layer name. For value, pick the layer you are targeting. Use the drop-down to select it from the existing layer list. Choosing from the list helps avoid typos and guarantees you are matching the exact name used in the drawing. If the list is long, scroll carefully to make sure you have the correct one. Once those settings are in place, apply to set to entire drawing. Object type set to multiple or a specific object. Property set to layer. Operator set to equals and value set to your desired layer. Click OK. AutoCAD will immediately highlight and select all objects that meet those criteria. You'll know it worked if you see grips and a selection count on the status bar. From there, you can change properties, move or delete items, or apply any command to the entire selection set at once. And that's it. Thanks for watching.